Turmeric, the golden-hued spice, has become a staple in wellness routines, especially among older adults. Its active compound, curcumin, boasts powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, supporting joint health, heart function, digestion, and even brain vitality. But here's the catch. Turmeric's benefits depend on how well your body absorbs it. Pair it with the wrong foods and you might block its effects. Or worse, trigger digestive discomfort. If you're drinking golden milk, taking turmeric supplements, or cooking with it, you need to avoid these 3 sneaky foods. And stick around. I'll reveal the best pairings to triple absorption. Avoid these 3 foods with turmeric. Number 1, processed dairy, like cheese, creamers, and yogurts. While dairy products like cheese, creamers, and yogurts may seem harmless, processed varieties often contain additives, stabilizers, and excess sugars that slow digestion. More importantly, dairy proteins, particularly casein, can bind to curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, reducing its absorption by up to 50%. This is especially concerning for older adults who may already struggle with lactose sensitivity or sluggish digestion. To maximize turmeric's benefits, consider swapping processed dairy for plant-based alternatives like almond milk, coconut milk, or oat milk, which are easier to digest and naturally anti-inflammatory. Number 2, high-vinegar foods, like pickles, salad dressings, and ketchup. Foods high in vinegar, such as pickles, salad dressings, and ketchup, can interfere with turmeric's effectiveness. The acidic nature of vinegar degrades curcumin's stability before your body has a chance to absorb it. Additionally, combining vinegar-heavy meals with turmeric may worsen digestive issues like acid reflux or bloating. For a gut-friendly alternative, try dressings made with lemon juice and olive oil, which are less acidic, or simply consume pickles separately from turmeric-rich meals to avoid diminishing its benefits. Number 3, sugary cereals and baked goods. While convenient, sugary cereals, pastries, and processed baked goods counteract turmeric's health benefits. Refined sugars trigger inflammation, working against turmeric's natural anti-inflammatory properties. Additionally, these high glycemic foods disrupt digestion and impair nutrient absorption, reducing curcumin's bioavailability. Instead of pairing turmeric with refined carbs, opt for low glycemic alternatives like fresh berries, steel-cut oats, or a small drizzle of raw honey. These choices support stable blood sugar levels while enhancing turmeric's effectiveness for better overall wellness. Boost turmeric's power with these 3 combos. If you're using turmeric, don't stop at just adding it to your food. Pair it with the right ingredients and you can unlock way more of its health benefits. Number 1, black pepper. Turmeric's main compound, curcumin, is powerful, but your body has a hard time absorbing it on its own. That's where black pepper comes in. It contains a natural substance called piperine, which can increase curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. That means you get way more of turmeric's benefits, like reduced inflammation and better joint support. Easy tip? Just add a pinch of black pepper to your turmeric tea, golden milk, or even scrambled eggs. A little goes a long way. Number 2, healthy fats. Here's something most people don't know. Curcumin is fat-soluble. That means your body absorbs it much better when it's paired with healthy fats. These fats help curcumin bypass digestion and get straight into your bloodstream, where it can actually do its job. Here's how to use it. Blend turmeric into an avocado smoothie, drizzle olive oil over turmeric roasted vegetables, or sprinkle it on a handful of nuts for a simple, powerful snack. Number 3, quercetin-rich foods. If you want turmeric to work longer in your body, here's a trick. Add quercetin. Quercetin is a natural antioxidant found in everyday foods like apples, red onions, and green tea. It helps slow down the breakdown of curcumin, so turmeric stays active in your system longer. Easy ways to pair it. Sip on turmeric-infused green tea, or toss sautéed onions into a turmeric spice dish. Delicious and effective. Bonus combo, raw honey. Raw honey isn't just a sweet treat, it's full of enzymes and antioxidants that work in harmony with turmeric to support your immune system and improve digestion. How to use it? Mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric with 1 teaspoon of raw honey in warm water for a soothing tonic, or drizzle it over turmeric-spiced oatmeal for a naturally sweet and healing breakfast. For the ultimate boost, combine turmeric with black pepper, healthy fats, and raw honey all in one meal. Think golden milk, salad dressings, or spice smoothies. That's how you turn turmeric into a true wellness powerhouse. Pro tips for seniors: for the best absorption, take turmeric with meals that include healthy fats like a lunch with salmon, avocado, or even a small handful of walnuts. Fat helps the curcumin in turmeric move through your system more effectively. When choosing turmeric, go for organic powder. A good sign, it should have a deep, orange-gold color. If it looks dull or pale yellow, it may not be as potent. If you're using supplements, go for ones that contain piperine, which is black pepper extract, or are labeled as bioavailable. Turmeric is powerful, but it's not for everyone in high doses. Check with your doctor if you take blood thinners, have gallbladder issues, or deal with frequent acid reflux. High doses might not be the best fit in those cases. Turmeric isn't a magic pill, but when paired smartly and used consistently, it can support joint comfort, brain clarity, and lasting energy as you age. If this helped you, share it with someone who's looking to make turmeric part of their wellness routine.